Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this, chances are you are like me, deeply embedded in the fast-paced world of technology, especially AI. We are all witnessing the incredible advancement almost daily, and sometimes it feels like less than a wave and more like a tsunami, right? Today, I want to talk about something that's becoming absolutely critical, not just for thriving, but for surviving in this landscape: lifelong learning. It is not just a nice to have anymore, it's rapidly becoming a fundamental career survival skill. And I want to share some insights from my own journey, including why I learned from leading to major upskilling initiatives and why this applies to every single one of us, regardless of our role. Think about it. How many new tools, frameworks, or even fundamental concepts have emerged just in the last year or two that are now considered essential? The pace is relentless. What was cutting edge yesterday is a table stakes today and obsolete tomorrow. That isn't just about keeping up, it's about staying relevant, creating values, ensure your career trajectory continue upwards, not sideways or down. This is just a technical problem. Every industry, every business is being touched by digital transformation and AI. That means the skill gap is widening and the demand for new capabilities is skyrocketing. For technology leaders, AI practitioners, and business professionals alike, the ability to continue to learn and adapt is your most valuable asset. This is your personal competitive advantage. For the past few years, I've had the incredible opportunity to lead two significant upskilling initiatives within large organizations. What I learned was that the traditional one size fits for all model is obsolete. People learn at different pace and have different starting points, so a personalized learning path is crucial. Furthermore, learning must be continuous, not an annual check the box exercise, but some seems integrated into the daily workflow where it is on demand and relevant. The kind of learning that really sticks and drives impact come from doing. From hackathon to internal projects, giving people a sandbox to apply new skills is transformational. We also found that communities and mentorship accelerate growth exponentially. By doing communities of practice where people can mentor each other, you create a blueprint for a successful personal learning journey. Think about how you seek practical applications and build a community around yourself. You might be thinking, "Bo, I'm not a developer. I'm a business leader. Or I'm in sales." My answer is this applies even more to you. Understanding the fundamental shifts in technology and AI isn't about becoming a coder unless you really want to. It's about being able to identify new opportunities. How can AI transform your products, your service, your customer experience? Mitigate risk? What are the ethical implications and the data privacy concerns? It's about leading effectively. How do you guide your team through these changes, equip them with the right skills, and foster an innovation culture? And speak the language. Bridging the gap between technical teams and business stakeholders is critical. You need to understand the possibilities and limitations to make informed strategic decisions. For technology leaders, this means not just master new tech, but also evolving your leadership style to foster an environment of perpetual learning. For AI practitioners, it's about staying on the bleeding edge of models, frameworks, and deployment strategies. For business professionals, it's about understanding how this technology can drive your strategic goals and operational efficiency. The business value is immense. I don't just preach this, I live it. Every year, I set aggressive learning goals for myself. Let me share a couple of examples from this past year that really illustrate this point and how they directly translate into business impact. At work, our primary cloud platform is Azure. It's robust and familiar. I've been using Azure since 2018, and I'm proud to hold 7 Azure cloud certificates. While that foundation is strong, I recognize the need to expand. Learning GCP with my Azure background has been a surprisingly swift and efficient process, as many core cloud concepts are transferable. But I knew that true versatility in multi-cloud world requires broadening my expertise. So, this past year, I made a conscious effort to dive deep into Google Cloud. How did I do it? Not by waiting for work assignments. I took online courses, participated in GCP focused hackathons. I even started experimenting with personal projects on the platform. This effort eventually help my team to win more engagements from my business unit partners who are increasingly leveraging GCP. Because I could confidently speak the languages and architect solutions, we could expand our service offering and deliver more comprehensive values. And there was generative AI. The field is moving at warp speed. I immersed myself in LangGraph, Google's new AI Development Key or ADK, and courses from deeplearning.ai to get the practical tools needed to implement advanced solutions. The result? This deep dive helped me to rapidly become a thought leader in generative AI within my organization. I was able to advise leadership team on strategic directions, mentoring colleagues, and lead new proof of concept projects. This has pushed me into new and exciting leadership roles. It's incredibly how open one door through learning can reveal an entire hallway of new possibilities. What this example highlights is a shift in the learning model itself. It is no longer about rigid schedule or static knowledges. It's about personalized curiosity, following your interests and seeing where they lead rather than waiting for external directions. Continuous engagement, making learning a daily habit. Even if it is just 30 minutes a day, small, consistent efforts compound dramatically. Apply logic. Actively seeking opportunity to use what you can learn, building something, teach someone, solve a problem. That's where true mastery lies. This approach is what positions your organization, for sustained success. It's about building a learning muscle that gets stronger with every challenge. So, what does this mean for you? First, identify your gap. Where the technology skills emerging in your field and what's holding you back? Second, commit to micro learning. Carve out dedicated time each week for a course, a research paper, or tutorial. Third, find your tribe by connecting with peers and mentors to share your journey. Finally, embrace practical projects where you can apply these skills to real world problems. Lifelong learning is about cultivating a mindset for growth and adaptivity to stay indispensable. It's how you lead. Speaking of leadership, I've learned so much about soft skills from my mentors that complement technical expertise, which I will cover in a dedicated video very soon. Until then, keep pushing boundaries. Let me know in the comments what skills I'm learning next. If you found this video valuable, please like it, subscribe it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.